have my lovely daughter with me today. We are about to go look for some land. I was on Facebook Marketplace on Sunday morning. I always check Facebook Marketplace for homes, seller financing, land seller financing. So try to get a head start on it. And yeah, so I said everybody replied back to me. So today, since they don't have school, me and her gonna go out and look at these properties. There is a house that I may, if I have time to go drive out and look at today. It's seller finance, but it looks like it needs a lot of work. I think they got off a tax deed sale, so I think they finally got all the paperwork to it so they can sell it now. I'm pretty sure that's what they did. And people are like, why you don't do that? Why won't you get a house off a tax sale deed? Tax sale, hold it, pay the back taxes, hold it for a year or two, and then do what they doing, sell financing. And that's a possibility. I might do it. I just got to get a little bit more, I got to get a little bit more educated on that matter. So me and her about to ride out here and look at this land. I'm going to take y'all with me so y'all know what the process looks like. Like I said, I found this on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, walking into this one. This is a single wide, y'all. This is the kitchen area. There's a little backsplash right here where the stove would go. It's kind of cute. Over here. Yeah. Get the key out of my pocket. This right here is the laundry area. Now this is a repossession mobile home place. They deal with repossessed homes. So this is the living room. It's a little small, but it's okay. Light fixtures. You got two in the kitchen. Go down this way. Here's the back door. See another mobile home beside this one. This must be like the master's. It's kind of small. Master has a bathroom, a tub, toilet, and sink, and of course this closet. I think he said this is a 2004. I don't think he said it's a Clayton home though, y'all. Power things back here. So that's one bedroom. Walk back now here past the kitchen. That's the front door. You got two windows in the living area. You got that traditional long hallway. You got light in the hallway. This would be bedroom number 2. Really small. Could only fit probably, oh my God, like a twin size bed in here. Very small, y'all. Extremely small. Extremely small. Come back out of here. Then you have the bathroom. Light in there with a sink, toilet, shower and tub. Then you have the third bedroom. The third bedroom is a lot bigger. It has a closet in it. And this is the only one that they said they have available right now. So we're going to see how much it costs, and then I'll let you know. This is what you're working with. You know what I'm saying? You want to get something price effective, something that's not too much that you can pay off and be debt free. And then all the income that you make, you can stack it and live comfortable. You don't have to be worrying about no $2,000, $3,000 mortgage payment each month. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is okay. I'm not complaining at all.